The owner of this phone lent her Tecno Pop 4 Pro to her friend, but while bringing it back, the friend had already spoiled it and nothing is displaying on the screen. When you on it, you see some tiny line on the screen. As you can see, is invisible line, but nothing is displaying. Now we have to go to work in order to revive the phone. First thing we have to do is we have to dismantle it by losing some of the screws, all of the screws, sorry. Then the next thing, as you can see, we are losing the screws. When we're done losing the screw, the next thing is to open it from the cover. When you open it, then you remove the up and the down cover. As you can see, the phone is naked. Then we disconnect the battery and disconnect the old screen. The next thing that we have to do after disconnecting is we fry it. We put it on the heater for it to heat. After heating it, then we remove the old screen. As you can see, the old screen is broken to pieces. It's totally broken. Then we remove it. When we remove it, then we replace it with a brand new one. As you can see, it's shattered in million pieces. Then we have to replace it with a new one. But before that, we have to put glue on the frame of the phone. As you can see, I've put some glue in order to be able to hold the screen. After putting it, then this is the new screen in which we are going to be replacing the old one with. As you can see, then the next thing is we have to fix the new one. After fixing it, we'll close everything back from the back in which it was open. After fixing them, we'll put back all the screws that were removed at first. After putting it, as you can see, then but before we can be able to put the screw, we need to use a rubber band to hold it so that the screen will not fall off while fixing the new one. Then we'll tighten everything. After tightening it, then the next thing for us to do will now be to test and see if the phone is working. Yes, you can see it is on. Then it's left for us to test run it to see that it's working perfect. As you can see, everything is working, even though there's this seal or on the phone, on the front of the phone, but you can still see that the phone is working perfect. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the like and share, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep getting more of these repairing tips and more. Thank you.